Hey guys, it's Decelation, and today we're going to be working on installing the steering rack in the Factory 5 hot rod truck. So that little puppy is going to go somewhere in the here area, but can't install the front suspension at all because I'm still waiting on the upper control arms, and I'm waiting on stuff for the rear as well. This shutdown is kind of a pain, but you gotta keep moving forward. All right, so put you guys on a time lapse and we'll get to work. All right, guys, so let me just put in the steering column real quick. The steering rack, I'm sorry, the steering rack real quick. Didn't take long, not very hard. Um, Pretty much, it comes with two spacers on this side, and that's like the hardest part. You just need to make sure you put the spacers in. Really, really simple. And I put the rod ends. I'm still missing the upper control arms, and due to the quarantine, we don't know when I'll be able to get them, but we'll see. Just keep moving, and I'm gonna work around it and keep moving forward. So right now, what's next is I need to paint and prime. Well, really just sand this down, tape off all the stuff I want to do. This is the non-finished because I knew I was going to do my own kind of coloring. So you guys kind of see, you might have an idea of what color you're gonna go, but you'll see soon. All right, stand by while you watch me prep this. guys, what you guys just saw was me going through completely installing the steering system. So all of the steering shafts and the steering rack, and the steering column. So you also saw me paint it and everything. So, kind of working through day to day, get this thing done. But there were some things that you probably saw, particularly these two joints right here. So this one and this one. So the kit, just something I want to point out, the kit, it said it had everything for the steering system, but it only really gave me 2 bolts instead of the 4 that's needed. So this is something that, I'm just going to order these bolts due to the current situation, what's going on right now. Factory 5 is still closed, but it is what it is. It's probably like $1 or $2, so it's not that big of a deal. So, but otherwise, I got the steering. It's very loosely attached. Thing of note, what it's talking about is right here. You have to change that out from one of these type of set screw with the jam nut, and I'm gonna put Loctite on it, but I just have it sitting right there for right now, because I still have to final tighten everything when I get the last 2 button head bolts and nuts. But other than that, it is looking really good. Definitely like how it's out of the way. So we'll see how heavy this is with my wheel and tire setup, but sounds good. So guys, if you guys like the video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Appreciate all you guys from watching. Channel's been growing a lot faster than it has over the last couple of years, so I really appreciate you guys for supporting and being a part of that. Have a good one. Peace.